Padanam. So Kaiholo means swaying sea. The title of our album is Swaying Sea. A gentle sway, a gentle rhythm of the sea as it sways to and fro with the tide.
Yeah, as long as we're not in the ocean.
When you want to write about someone, you don't explicitly mention them in your song. You're going to reference them as some element in nature. Sometimes as the wind or the rain, oftentimes as a flower. Now, the white cactus flower, why would anyone want to be referenced to that? Well, they're kind of prickly, you know. They're kind of hard to get to know on the outside. We all have friends like that, right? You're their only friend in the whole wide world. For some reason, they don't make friends very well. But once you do get to know them, they're nice and sweet, like cactus juice on the inside. So here we go with a Johnny Almeida song for one of the girlfriends he had that wasn't well liked in the community. Panini Pukea.
Ahea iho nei o lei aloha kuho I kanania o nā pua.
Ahea iho nei o lei aloha kuho I kanania o nā pua.
Heia mai o so I pohilo, hoi ke a kapua ania.
Heia mai o so I pohilo, hoi ke a kapua ania.
He ani male o halia loko, mo le I ka pukai.
Ka pukai, ka pukai. He ani male o halia loko, no melo mau le I ka pukai. Na mai no e pakele aku, ka vai o ka panini puakea, puakea panini puakea. La vai no e pakele aku, I ka vai o ka panini puakea, puakea panini puakea. Haina ia mai ana ka puana, ui poi kanania o nā pua, o nā pua, o nā pua. Haina ia mai ana ka puana, ui poi kanania o nā pua, o nā pua, o nā pua.
So song Panini Pukea.